In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the WooCommerce cart icon from your navigation menu. We'll walk through this step by step using the built-in WordPress editor, so you don't need to touch any code. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to hide that cart icon on desktop, tablet, mobile, or all devices, depending on what you prefer. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main control panel for your site. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a vertical menu with different sections. Hover your mouse over the Appearance section. Don't click yet, just hover. A submenu will slide out. From that list, click on Editor. This will open the site editor, where you can visually customize your theme and layout. Give the editor a moment to load. When it's ready, you should see a preview of your store on the right-hand side of the screen. This is an interactive preview, meaning you can click on different parts of the page to edit them. Now, move your mouse over the top part of the preview where your site header is. This is usually where your logo, navigation menu, and cart icon are located. Click on the header area. When you do that, some options will appear, usually below or to the side of the header label. Look for the option that says Edit Section and click it. The page will reload or refocus so that you're now editing just the header section on its own. This makes it easier to work without distractions. Next, locate the cart icon in your header. Click directly on the cart icon to select it. Once it's selected, look for a More Options icon associated with it. This is often represented by 3 dots. Click that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that list of options, find and select Hide. A pop-up will appear asking where you want to hide the cart icon. You'll see options for desktop, tablet, and mobile. This is useful if you only want to remove it on certain devices. You can choose 1, 2, or all 3, depending on your design needs. After making your selection, click Apply at the bottom right of the pop-up. You should now see that the cart icon is hidden in the preview. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button. Wait for the save process to complete, and then you're done. Your WooCommerce cart icon is now removed from the navigation menu on the devices you selected.